This week is National Boating Safety Week, and with summer just around the corner, many people are looking forward to some fun in the sun. David Greene with Greene and Phillips is here with us again. David, boating, just like driving, it can come with serious responsibilities, though. So we want people to have fun, but be safe as well.
Well, that's exactly right. And when you're boating, a lot of folks are encouraged. They want to drink and they want to boat. You know, while if you choose to drink, don't drive the boat. Have someone else driving. A designated driver is what you want to do. There's also a very nice list of requirements of things that you should have on that boat, including life jackets, you know, safety alarms, horns, all the different things that you're required of.
All right, so some tips there, some things to keep in mind. Let's talk about causes. What are the most common causes of boating accidents?
Really, people just not paying attention. You got lots of boats out there. You've got people on wave runners. It's almost like a motorcycle in cars. They're whipping around. They're having a good time. And a lot of times folks are distracted. So when you're driving that boat, you should pay attention to what you're doing. Pay attention to your surroundings because it can happen so quickly. And gosh, in the water, things happen very quickly.
So David, you mentioned drinking and driving and drinking and boating. Are those different under the eyes of the law?
They really are, and as a matter of fact, boating, the requirements to have been under the influence of alcohol is actually lower. And so if you've had one or two drinks, you actually may be in violation of the law, but you really need to make sure that you just simply do not drink and boat.
Yeah, I think a lot of people need to hear that because they think, hey, I'm on the boat, this is a party, we're on the water, so something to keep in mind for sure. Now, let's talk about if there is a boating accident. What are the steps that people should take?
Number one, call 911, make sure the authorities come. You may have Marine police come, you may have the state troopers, or even the sheriff's deputies may, depending on where you are. Calling 911 is important, seeking medical treatment, and then talking to a law firm like the lawyers at Greene and Phillips, very, very important. But number one, make sure you treat it the same by calling the authorities.
All right, and then when you get Greene and Phillips involved, of course, first safety is at the foremost of mind. You want to make sure that everyone's safe if possible. After the incident is over, though, they get in contact with you all. Tell us about that process.
Well, it's very simple. You can come in. We're going to talk about it. We've handled boating cases for years. These cases are very different because of the requirements under the law. Very, very important to talk to a law firm like us because we've done it before and been very successful to make sure that you're properly compensated.
And again, sooner rather than later is better?
You want to make sure you do it as soon as you're able. Go ahead and call us. Get us out there. You know, there's not a scene investigation because the water is moving, okay, of course, but there may be video. There may be other things. There are witnesses certainly we can talk to. We need to go ahead and talk to the witnesses, look at the evidence, look at the destruction to the boats, and make sure that we can put your case together.
All right. You can find all their contact information on the Studio 10 tab at fox10tv.com. Have a lot of fun. Go out and enjoy the sun, enjoy boating, enjoy the water, but do it safely. David, thank you so much.
Glad to be here.